Hello guys, welcome back to another Android Studio tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to learn about how to apply theme for the Android action bar. The Android will provide basically two themes. First one is theme.holo, which will provide a dark theme, and the second one is theme.holo.light, which will provide some light theme. So the action bar is available from 3.0 onwards. So this video I split into two parts. On the first part of this video, we are going to learn about how to apply theme for the action bar for Android version 3.0 and above. And on the second part, we learn about how to apply theme for Android version lower than 3.0. Okay, on the first part of this video, we are going to learn about how to apply theme for Android version 3.0 and above. So start a new project in Android Studio. I name the application as Action Bar Style Demo. And here the minimum SDK version as 3.0, API version 11. Click next. Create a blank activity. Click next. And click finish. Okay, here we have the application available in Android Studio. So we have two basic theme, a dark theme and a light theme. So here I am going to apply a dark theme for the entire application. So you have to open the manifest file. So open the manifest folder and open the Android manifest.xml file, and you can find out some Android theme tag. Now it is available in the application tag. So if you want to apply the same theme for the entire application, that means for all the activities available in the application, you have to place the Android theme within the application tag. And if you want to apply the theme for individual activities, then you have to specify the Android theme for the individual activity tag. Okay, so here we have already a theme is applied here. It is referred from the styles.xml file with the tag app theme. We can check it out. Open the values folder and open the styles.xml file. Here is the theme. Here some theme is applied here. Okay, I remove that one. So here I remove all the code segments here. So now I am going to apply a dark theme for the application. For that, use this attribute, use this value at Android styles, and for the dark theme you have to use theme.holo. This will work for Android version 3.0 and above. It is not applicable for Android version 3. Lower than 3.0. So here I apply a dark theme. If you want to apply a dark theme, just specify theme.holo. This will give you a dark theme for the activity, also give a dark theme for the action bar. So go to the main activity.java file. Here I extends action bar activity. There is no need to extend action bar activity because here the minimum SDK version is 3.0. Actually the action bar activity is available from the supporting libraries. You can see it here. Now the action bar activity is imported from the V7 support library. There is no need, just simply extends activity because here we have the minimum SDK version is 3.0. So instead of action bar activity, simply extends activity. Okay, now we have a dark theme for the application. So we can check it out. Okay, now here we have a dark theme for the application, and also the action bar theme is also dark theme. Okay, so now I am going to change the theme into a light theme. For that, go to the Android manifest.xml file. You have to add something more, theme.holo.light. This will give you a light theme for the activity and the action bar. We can check again. Okay, here it is. Now we have a light theme for the activity. Also the action bar is also have a light theme. So for the light theme, you can change the theme of the action bar into dark. You have to simply place something called holo.light.dark action bar. Yeah, here we have some problem. Yeah, you need to change the API level into 14, minimum API level into 14. Current minimum is 11. So this feature is available from API level 14. So you have to change the minimum API level into 14. So open up the Gradle scripts. Open the build Gradle file corresponding to the application. And here change the minimum SDK version into 14. I changed that one into 14, and here you have to perform some sync operation. Sync now. Okay, now the sync operation is completed. Go to the Android manifest.xml file. Now the error is cleared. Okay, now we can check it again. Okay, now here we have a light theme for the activity and a dark theme for the action bar. Okay, now here I am going to add another activity into this application. So right click the package, right click the application and create a new activity. Create a new blank activity. I name it as second activity and click finish. Okay, now here we have another activity. Okay, now go back to the Android manifest.xml file. So before that, we have to add some button on the main activity to invoke the second activity. Here is a text view is available. I changed the text of the second activity. This is second activity. Android text appearance into text appearance large. Okay, now go back to the main activity and add a new button. Add a new button. Go back to the XML version. Start second activity. Also add an onClick method. Android onClick start second. Go to the main activity.java file. Define that method. Public void start second. With some view argument. Okay, and from this method start the second activity. Start activity. And specify an indent object. New indent. This. And specify the second activity name. Second activity dot class. This will start the second activity. Okay, now here we have two activities are available on this application, and we apply the theme on the application tag, and here the theme is a light theme with some dark action bar. We can check it out. Run the application again. Okay, now we have the application available on the virtual device. Now we set the theme on the application tag. That means we have the same theme for the entire activities, all the activities available on this application. So this is the main activity that have an action bar with some dark theme, and here the activity have a light theme. So now I am going to start the second activity. Here we got some error. There is a mistake on second activity. Yeah, here it extends action bar activity. The theme.holo is not compatible with action bar activity. Instead of action bar activity, you have to use simply activity. Okay, so now we can check again. Okay, now we have the main activity. Now I'm going to start the second activity. So click the button. Now this is the second activity. Now the two activities have the same theme, dark action bar with a light theme on the activity. Now suppose I want a light theme for the main activity and a dark theme for the second activity. In that case, you have to apply theme for individual activities. So go back to the Android manifest.xml file. So I remove the theme tag from the application element. Remove this one. Now add the theme element into the first activity. This is the main activity. For the main activity, I need some light theme. So I use theme.holo.light. And for the second activity, I need some dark theme. So I copy that element and paste it on the second activity. Here is the newly created activity, and change this one into theme.holo. This will give a light theme for the activity and the action bar. Sorry, dark theme for the activity and action bar. So now we have a light theme for the first activity and a dark theme for the second activity. We can check again. Okay, now here we have a light theme for the main activity. Now I start the second activity, and for the second activity we have a dark theme for the activity and for the action bar. This is how we apply the theme for Android version 3.0 and above. Okay, now we are going to learn about how to apply theme for Android version lower than 3.0. So the first thing, we have to change something on the activities. So go back to the main activity.java. Here you need to use some action bar activity. So the action bar activity is available from the Android supporting libraries. So extends action bar activity. This is from the V7 support library. So I add the action bar activity for the first activity, main activity. Now go to the second activity. Here also the same thing. Change this one into action bar activity. Okay. Now go back to the Android manifest.xml file. I remove the theme from the each of the activity and place it on the application tag. Remove the theme from the second activity also. Okay, so now here I am going to refer the theme from the styles.xml file. So the theme is from styles and the theme name is app theme. Okay, now I put the theme element on the application tag. That means now the theme is available on both the activity. Now go to the styles.xml file. So open the values folder and open the styles.xml file. Okay, so for applying theme for Android version lower than 3.0, you need to use something called the theme.appcompat. So here I am going to apply a dark theme for the two activities. So for applying a dark theme, you have to use theme.appcompat. This will give you a dark theme for the activity, also a dark theme for the action bar. Okay, we can check it out. Now I run this application. Okay, now here we have a dark theme for the action bar and the activity. Start the second activity. For the second activity also the same thing. Okay, start the second activity again. Now here we have the same theme for the second activity. Now if you want to apply a light theme, you have to change something on the styles.xml file. Here if you need a light theme, you have to use something theme.appcompact.light. This will give a light theme for the activity and the action bar. Okay, now we have a light theme for the main activity, and for the second activity the same thing, we have a light theme for the second activity. Now I am going to apply a light theme for the first activity and dark theme for the second activity. So that for that we have to add something here. I change the first style into app theme 1 and copy the style tag. Now define another style here. This is app theme 2, and now we have a light theme for the first activity, main activity, and change this one into app compact. That means a dark theme for the second activity. Now go to the Android manifesto.xml file. Now you have to place the theme element for each of the activity, and here this is the first. For the first activity the theme name is app theme 1, and now place a theme for the second activity. The theme name is app theme 2. Now check again. Okay, now here we have a light theme for the main activity, and for the second activity we have a dark theme. So now for the light theme you can change the action bar theme into dark. Go to the styles.xml file. For the main activity, here I am going to change the action bar theme into dark. So just use appcompact light.dark action bar. This will give you light theme for the activity and a dark theme for the action bar. Check again. Okay, now here we have a light theme for the activity and a dark theme for the action bar, and for the second activity we have a dark theme. This is how we apply theme for Android version lower than 3.0. I hope you understand the concepts. See you in the next episode.